Okay, we are outside Schiphol airport.
One way. Imagine, wherever you want to go, but we go for Amsterdam Central because from there you can go wherever you want. And look here, 3 apps: NS International, and Flixbus. These are 3 apps that you can use for planning your trip here in the Netherlands. Hi guys, I'm Said. Today I'm at Schiphol airport, the airport of Amsterdam. I'm here to show you this international airport and also to do a little bit of explanation about if you get to the Amsterdam and you want to go to, I don't know, another country or another city or Amsterdam or wherever, how you can get there. I'm going to make 4 videos for this purpose. The first video will be public transport. The second video will be private transport, how you can get wherever you want with a taxi or with I will introduce another app, one app, and also I will show you departure halls and arrival halls. So 4 videos, expect me just 4 videos, and I will show you everything about Schiphol airport. For start, the first video will be about public transport at Schiphol airport. So imagine you just got to the Schiphol airport and you want to go to we say Eindhoven or Amsterdam, and because Schiphol is a little far from Amsterdam, it's I think like 10 kilometers, 11 kilometers to Amsterdam. The best way is going with train. I'm going to show you how you can get to Amsterdam with train, how you can buy your ticket by train, or another way how you can get there, because train works till 12 or 1 o'clock 1 a.m. and you will have problem if you get here early in the morning or late evening. So there are other ways. I will suggest another way to go to your destination where you want to go. Okay, first let's go inside Schiphol. I'll show you how you can buy your ticket from train, and then we come outside and I will show you 3 different apps that you can use for public transport. Let's go inside first. Yeah, here is we will just enter Schiphol airport. This is the atmosphere that you can expect. Here is entrance of train station of Schiphol airport. We won't go inside, just train station. I'll show you later, but just entrance of train station. But you need first to buy your ticket. I'll show you how you can buy your ticket. There are here train ticket. You can book it here. You can see here the screen very easily, one way. Imagine wherever you want to go, but we go for Amsterdam Central because from there you can go wherever you want. And look here, 1 passenger, 1 way, 2nd class, Amsterdam Central, and this is the €5.19 you have to pay. How you want to pay? You can pay by coins or by credit cards, because most of you may not have credit cards. You will go by coin. And look here, here you can pay by coins if you want, like this. If you have credit cards, you can just pay by credit cards and it will be fine. Yes. here, pay here credit cards, and you will get your ticket from here. Yes. Yeah, if you want day return, you can pay more and you can get this, or what you have. Do you have your dog, your bicycle, or your children, or you want to go to Amsterdam, do something else, whatever?
Acá estoy viendo que a 4 no está igual. Le voy a preguntar al huevón de allá cuando estamos en viaje.
Yeah. Okay. And if you get your ticket very easily, you can go here to this is the entrance of train station, and you can see here to Amsterdam Central or to Groningen. And here is entrance. The other thing is here there are train info. You can ask them about your destination. If you want to go to Eindhoven or I don't know, on another city, you can just ask them and they will show you the train schedule, and you can plan your trip. If you have cash, also you can buy your ticket train here. You can just tell them without any extra charge. You can buy it from a machine or you can buy it from here. Or if you are planning to go somewhere else, I mean outside of the Netherlands, if you are going to Belgium, I don't know, Germany, you can also buy your train ticket here. Let's go outside. Okay, we are outside Schiphol airport, and I want to show you 3 very useful apps that if you get to the Schiphol, you can schedule your trip to the other city of the Netherlands, or even outside of Netherlands. Here we go. Here are 3 apps: NS International, and flixbus. These are 3 apps that you can use for planning your trip here in the Netherlands. First, I will show you NS. NS is the name of train company. Train company in the Netherlands, inside the Netherlands, also outside, but it's more about inside of the Netherlands. It's a very easy app to use. You need only your email for this app. You just you can download it from Play Store. Here you can say from Schiphol, I want to go, imagine, to Eindhoven Central. I say here Eindhoven Central, and here Schiphol to Eindhoven Central. The departure will be you can say a departure date. It's we will do today. You can do tomorrow or whatever. You can say I want to schedule it tomorrow, but we'll say today. We imagine that you just get to the Amsterdam, to the Schiphol, and you want to schedule your trip and plan journey, and you say, look, it is the first one. We'll leave at 12:49, and you get there at 14:30 or whatever. Look, everything you have here. What time do you want to leave, or what time do you want to it's very easy, and you can just schedule your trip like this. It's a very useful app. You can use it. Okay, this one was NS, and NS has also another app called NS International. NS International. With NS International, it's about going outside of the Netherlands. Imagine, because of any reason, you you have to come to Schiphol, but you want to go to, I don't know, Köln, imagine, yeah, say Köln. Okay, from Schiphol airport is also, you can download this app from Google Play, from Play Store, sorry, and say, okay, from Schiphol I want to go to Köln. Köln, here it has Köln. Okay, Schiphol airport to Köln. Search. It asks you about the day that you want to go. You say, yeah, today. Okay, look here, there is one possibility. Okay, yeah, train. It says that this train has departure. This one is the first possibility, or this one is even cheaper. 14:49 you can leave, and 6:35 you can be there. And yeah, you can see that you have to change your train from Schiphol airport to Venlo first, to Venlo, and from Venlo to Mönchengladbach, and from Mönchengladbach to Köln. This is just as an example of how you can get to Köln from Schiphol airport with NS International. Okay, so NS International. And the third app that I want to introduce you is a flixbus. Flixbus is also very useful way to plan your trip from this app. You can just also download it from Play Store. Imagine you can plan your trip here inside the Netherlands, also international. I mean, if you want to go from Amsterdam Schiphol to Brussels, or from somewhere else. But imagine that you get here at 1 a.m. and at 1 a.m. you can't get any train, so you can plan your trip with flixbus. It's also a very useful way. We say from Amsterdam to Eindhoven, and yeah, imagine, yeah, we want to go there at 23rd of July, and you can do search, and you get all possibility. Even it's cheaper than train if you want to travel with flixbus. Look here, from I think, yeah, you can see from Schiphol airport to Eindhoven with 29 euros you can travel. One very useful piece of information is that if you don't have any cards to pay, I mean to book your trip here, you don't need to pay here. You can pay to the driver. So simply you can plan your trip like this for 5:20. You can go to the station. I will show you the station where it leaves, and you can go to the station and you can pay to the driver, so without any extra charge. So 29 euros, yeah, 30 euros you can pay to the driver, and you can just yeah, get to the bus and go to your destination. Even if you want to go somewhere else, imagine Brussels, from Amsterdam to Brussels. Amsterdam is Schiphol. It doesn't matter that much, but it's better to do Amsterdam Schiphol. Wait, Schiphol. Yeah, it's comes. Okay, today, yeah, 23rd of July, we want to plan our trip from Amsterdam Schiphol to Brussels. You can see here, okay, yeah, from look here, Amsterdam Schiphol airport to Brussels North station. You can go there with 39 or 40 euros, and yeah, you can just plan your, if it says almost full, doesn't matter, you can go to driver. Always they have empty space for the people who want to pay cash, so always there are possibility to go there to pay cash. But just I showed you this app to plan your trip. Plan your trip like this, and then go to the to the station, and you can just that's it. Yeah, here we go. We are at Schiphol airport, and I am going to show you the place that you can get flixbus. I showed you already the app that you can use to plan your trip from flixbus. I'm going to show you the station of flixbus that you can just get, and you can go to your destination. One more thing, if because of any reason you couldn't find flixbus because of any reason, there are other bus company here that you can also plan. You can go there and plan your trip there, so don't worry if you don't have you don't find it. This is bus station. Look here. Yeah, this is bus station. It is called, I think, Station C or something like this. Look, there are already buses here that you can plan your trip. And flixbuses also stop at this platform. They'll stop at this platform, so you can just plan your trip with flixbus app, and then you can come to this place and you can pay them cash if you don't have any card. Don't worry, you can just get to this platform and you can pay them cash. Yeah, the other public transport way that you can choose is just traveling with public buses. Here in front of the exit, also there are bus stops that they go to, I think, Amsterdam Central. I'm not sure, but I think Amsterdam Central. And here you can buy your ticket, and you can just ask them, I want to go to Amsterdam Central, or to Utrecht. Utrecht, I think they don't go from here, but Amsterdam they go from here, and you can go. I think you can see the price. Yeah, for kids, Amsterdam. Yeah, these are the. And you can pay by cash. So this is the best thing if you don't have card. Yeah, and this is the place that they live here.